ndio andwa ya yang ne makoma best yogu ni mari urata wiho we didanio tondu matiko maundu maingi yes so ni murata wakwa no twaganu ona ciumia igiri
because ne murata waku
because maundu ni maingi yes umone na ara ni ragurirwo gatho mama we
te gatho gatho ni nduthi
gathuthi gatho na mama to ni mu biraruri
akiri mama we mwega
ni mu biraruri aramuiye gatho kau gatingeigerio sendi gatari na marua
mothe
yes igwara ni akoretwo akira na koguo ti commercial oguo nwi
kuhiuka kawira here and there
yes
aya kaoneka kanayo
ni mutumeka TVS yes
ni kega ga kurimia
riu maragitinda na muri oguo
mastra
mlaudi no ri urata wa muri na Allan ri nurahana tora pass through the ultimate test yes
ni muigirira kigeri
na opinion leaders no marathi na mbere kuaririria na kuona the way
forward
yes moreri ni arika mpoa ekayeng yes come verify
mukihi
die kinyete mukiri no athiro o makiri wa rugongo
mukihi riu ni rugongo
aya the mukihi mukihi takuga kimanzi timanzi yagu
kimanzi is even more ancient
no mazi riu ni ara meta ire tu achibela yakire mpoa wake na niarete riu Allan asiri Saturday ino riu hitukuri agoka na gatho to ni enda guthi gucerera
mpoa wake ekire iruri
yes eto Shalin na tiwa munene
no maritwa kuhanana
ni maritwa kuhanana for to clear the air
for record purposes
yes Shalin wa mugabe ama ni akenda gutwarwo ku
ni akenda gutwarwo ku ne mpoa wake
yes no thena haria uratorekirirwo kigerire Allan ni arayuka wega na ki
na gatho gake na nikawanga
na arakinengera muri helmet yake icukana na igiri imwe angamacoka kwendia thutha kana ekora na customer mundu ndetiri helmet yake njira yoria na customer ekora watu narete mbere riu acuka nayo ri
nake akariganirwo gwitia akainuka nayo
customer ciothe rero nake ugire ti amenyire mutwe no kona meciria maingĩ nginya
your customer kona Kiswahili
to nĩ mũndũ oĩ na nĩ wakũraihu rĩ ati amwĩrie amenyire helmet ye mutwe akinya
agĩcoka agĩkate akinya mũciĩ
akĩmeiga kũu rigo tura ngano ni
aricokia
yes Allan ni arayuka muri gatuthi iguru thinorokiire ri wa Shalin gaka ka muri tigo kuina kwao ni kilomita itanyiheire 30 kindu
kuma kwao riu
yes
uguo ni kundu meguthianga
nikio gwetia ki
agwetia gatho
ka Allan
kanyamu ni kombo iruri
makinya ku more mob sufficient maria ena muri na ni mo appresentete hari commission ire ra enquire horo uyu ri
Justice Bosire Commission
the golden bag
inquiry into the Shalin affair
yaro ningera eta watia
Allan ningera dale wa anti-corruption
the big fish
small fish medium fish
shall all cook in one pan
and leave no stone unturned
big fish makimutherukia
they swept the message and the messenger
yes Na Piero Lumumba akigerio maundu mau nake akihatwo githemba kiu.
O githemba kiu.
Tondu the big fish have been swimming in small ponds for far too long. Kilo wewe. Zika no agituria to message. This is a message from Dennis Apa.
The anti-corruption Caesar. He was seized.
The anti-corruption czar. Leo inquest today. Ira some findings iria mori. Atana baku ara observe na raki na cio. One day akiena bogi no yake ri. Tony ara express your doubt na shari niga.
Gake.
Yes.
Ni agia kugia na njiriri.
Na re kuwa he na kaundu hidden agenda gatagate ka Allan na Sharin oneonie maundu mau me very common. Yes. Ndo Sharin marathia ukona kwao.
O marathia gwa Sharin mucii.
Wa Sharin mucii.
Na uga ni kilomita 30 na kindu.
Yes. Na ni marakihetwo kibomba keru aciari matiako meria. No muke tunange
mamufi.
Yes. More aria aona riu hena itago red
flag.
Yes. Nida na moria directions.
Siago biego Sharin.
Na watu rio commission ire iraririo horo cio theringira commission. Justice.
Geikaro-ine gia commission of inquiry.
Yes. According to the panelists, all the name agree. There is no human way. Allan afati akoro oi kodoku.
If there is nothing.
Yes. There is nothing that leads to make the commission believe that he knew the place. Yes. The circumstantial evidence.
Allan is accused.
Yes. Furthermore, petitioner one.
Petitioner one ni Muriithi.
Elias Muriithi has submitted
before the commission
that upon a life at Sharin's residence, Allan's smartphone automatically picked the Wi-Fi signal. He further insinuates that he inquired upon realizing the sync. He inquired of him having prior notice of that locality, to which he answered in the negative. Which leads the commission to conclude that Allan presumably was not supposed to know Sharin's
place.
So in retrospect, Muriithi commission ya present petition yake. Nala orithari asimio ri.
Efuarare kuite uira.
Arauga wendo ucio wake na Sharin ri ni mutangirire. Na mutangiriri ndari haraihu.
The suspect.
Yes. Petitioner number 1. Muriithi further continues to table the realization that upon arrival at Sharin's
place,
the dogs which looked marauding never reacted to the presence of Allan. Which leads the commission to conclude that the dogs were also in cahoots
and must have had previous contact.
Previous allied
with the accused.
Yes. Commission, delegate the verdict to the quorum. You know there has to be the Supreme Court go to a Ghana.
Hariba jaji.
there are usually how many?
7.
There is a number that is supposed. Nigetha gũtuĩke rĩu ũhoro ũcio nĩ watuo.
Rĩu harĩ majaji mũgwanja rĩ.
Yes.
Ana no nginya magĩkorwo mena maragĩ support either a yes or a no.
Yes. Rĩu commission ĩrĩa ya inquiry presented on the Muriithi. They have not yet come to an no.
Unanimous agreement.
Yes. Because one wing feels that this love affair is an exercise in jeopardy which is characterized by hot air. Wingine wagenera Allan the benefit of
doubt.
Yes. Being a border
operator,
there are chances Allan might have been at one time
hired
for delivery and other
services.
Wingine wagekauga other services.
Kwagĩa stalemate teo rĩ enda mũndũ mwe convention o thĩinĩ wa panel ine kauga mũrĩ wĩtĩkĩra manyamũ nĩ mathikane
mũndũ ũcio wĩ mũtunye igai thũngũ cia ngoma mũndũ ndarakũria kwandĩmu nĩkũ gũtwara nginya okuona ndakũgĩrwo nĩ ngui kamwendaga atĩa
na ma-wifi ma-connecte
rathiĩ ingĩrĩte weri to wĩ haha rĩ wifi ya kũu password nĩ ĩrĩkũ mũrĩ tatuĩre
ahũthagĩra rĩtwa rĩa ithe
ithe wao wetagwo atĩa Rufus Mũragũri akĩmenya atĩ ona ũkĩngecaga Rufus Mũragũri wani
rĩu wĩtĩkĩre
mũtangĩrĩre wendo bro aikia makoma na guo thikũ ici.
One descending panelist.
Yes. Very descending. The commission is here to rule. They have been asked 2 weeks to file their
Muriithi.
Yes.
To file their conclusion.
But Muriithi, petitioner number 1, has vowed that should they not find fault with Allan, he shall take a hot air balloon